Welcome to Kanidam channel. Today we see basic geometrical ideas exercise 4.3. Question number 1. Name the angles in the given figure. So there are 4 angles. Angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D. To write angle A, we can write it as angle DAB. To write angle B, we can write it as angle ABC. To write angle C, we write it as angle BCD. To write angle D, we write it as angle CDA. So 4 angles: angle DAB, angle ABC, angle BCD and angle CDA. Question number 2. In the given diagram, name the points. A part. In the interior of angle DOE. So, this is angle DOE. So, what is the interior point of angle DOE? A. The interior of angle DOE is A, point A. B part. In the exterior of angle EOF. Angle EOF. So, what are the exterior points? C, A and D. So, the exterior of angle EOF, the points are C, A and D. C part. On angle EOF. On angle EOF. So, what is the point on angle EOF? B is the point on angle EOF. So, on EOF, what is the point? B. EOF. The point is B. Question number 3. Draw diagrams of 2 angles such that they have one point in common. So, we have to draw 2 angles such that one point in common. So, this is common point O. A, B, so the 2 angles are angle AOB and angle COD. So O is common. O is common for angle AOB and angle COD. O is common. Angle AOB and angle COD. B part. 2 points in common. So, draw a rough diagram. So it's O and 2 points common. So O A, this is one angle and this is one angle. So OB is common for angle AOB and angle BOC. So the two angles are AOB and BOC. O and B are common points for angle AOB and angle BOC. O and B are common points angle AOB, angle BOC. C part, 3 points in common. So draw a rough diagram. O, P, Q, R, yes. So OSQ are 3 common points for angle POQ and QOR. OS and Q are 3 common points for angle POQ and QOR. OSQ common points for angle POQ and angle QOR. D part, 4 points in common. Let's draw a rough diagram. O, P, Q, R, S, T. So this is one angle, this is one angle. So 4 points are common. The 4 common points are O, S, T and Q. O, S, T, Q are common points for angle POQ and QOR. O, S, T, Q are common points for angle POQ and angle QOR. E part, 1 ray in common. So draw a rough diagram. O, P, Q, R. So 1 ray in common. So 1 ray, this is 2 angles O POQ and QR are two angles. One ray is common. OQ is a ray. OQ is common for angle POQ and QOR. So one ray OQ is common. Ray OQ. Okay, ray OQ is common. One ray is common for angle POQ. An angle POR. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe.